Is your Tesla Model 3 frunk refusing to latch? The most common culprits are simple: height misalignment, a sticky latch mechanism, or worn rubber stops. These issues prevent the frunk from properly engaging and sealing, leading to frustrating pop-open problems. We'll show you how to diagnose and fix each one. The frunk's height, controlled by bolts near the hinges, is crucial for proper closure. If the frunk is too low, the latch mechanism won't properly engage with the striker pin. If too high, it compresses the rubber stops unevenly, creating gaps that prevent a secure seal. You'll need a 10mm socket, a helper to hold the frunk open, and feeler gauges to check gaps. First, loosen the bolts near the hinges slightly using the 10mm socket. Adjust the frunk height up or down by 1 to 2 millimeters as needed. Retighten the bolts securely, then use feeler gauges to ensure gaps are minimal. Aim for gaps of less than 1 millimeter to ensure the frunk closes securely. A dirty or sticky latch can prevent full engagement of the frunk. The latch mechanism and striker pin are located under the front hood area. Clean them thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol to remove dust and grime. If cleaning doesn't work, the latch may need replacement, which typically costs around $50. The rubber stops, also called bumpers, are crucial components that cushion the frunk's closure against the front fascia. They prevent damage and ensure a tight seal. Over time, typically after 3 to 5 years of use, these rubber stops can wear down or compress unevenly. This wear creates gaps and misalignment, preventing the frunk from closing properly and potentially allowing water or debris to enter. To fix this, replace the worn stops with new ones from a Tesla service kit, which includes 4 to 6 replacement stops and costs about $20 to $30. The kit is available at Tesla service centers or authorized dealers. When installing the new stops, ensure they are positioned correctly for even contact all around the frunk perimeter. This creates a uniform seal and prevents future misalignment issues. Many frunk issues are easily fixable at home with basic tools like height adjustments, latch cleaning, and rubber stop replacement. Use a 10mm socket, torque wrench, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. However, if you're uncomfortable with mechanical adjustments or if the problem persists after trying these fixes, it's best to consult a Tesla service center or a qualified mechanic. For pre-2023 models, Tesla offers free diagnostics. Remember, DIY approaches work well for many, but professional service provides expertise and covers warranty. Consult owner forums for additional tips before deciding. To ensure your Tesla Model 3 frunk fix lasts, avoid these common mistakes that can cause recurring problems. First, never slam the frunk shut. This forceful closing accelerates wear on the rubber stops, those cushioning pads that seal the frunk against the body. Worn stops can cause gaps and misalignment, making the frunk prone to popping open. Second, perform regular inspections of the frunk's alignment every 10,000 miles. This preventive maintenance helps identify misalignments early, preventing small issues from becoming major problems that require extensive repairs. Third, for height adjustments, always make small changes of just 1 to 2 millimeters at a time. Overcorrecting can create new alignment issues, such as uneven pressure on the rubber stops or difficulty engaging the latch properly. Finally, before any work on the frunk, disconnect the 12-volt battery. This safety precaution prevents the motorized latch from accidentally closing while you're adjusting or repairing components, which could cause injury or damage. Looking ahead, future Tesla models may incorporate AI-assisted frunk adjustments via over-the-air updates, auto-calibrating based on sensor data. Some experts predict that by 2028, frunks will self-diagnose issues, much like smartphones. Real-world case studies demonstrate that Tesla Model 3 frunk fixes can be highly effective with the right approach. A 2020 Model 3 owner with 100,000 miles had chronic frunk popping, which they resolved by adjusting the height by 1.5 millimeters and replacing worn rubber stops for just $25 in parts and 45 minutes of work. This highlights how precise mechanical adjustments can restore proper sealing. Another example involves a fleet owner managing 50 Model 3s after Tesla's 2022 recall, where widespread latch failures occurred. Professional service recalibrated the frunk height and thoroughly cleaned the latches, achieving a 95% success rate and preventing costly downtime. This shows that for high-volume scenarios, expert intervention ensures reliability. These cases underscore that while the fixes are reliable, environmental factors such as temperature fluctuations and high humidity can exacerbate frunk problems over time. Owners should consider regular inspections to maintain optimal performance.